So today we're going to review the spreadsheet for our M1 Roth IRA. For the month of September, we added $2,050. As you can see right here in the deposit section. These are all the deposits we had, and they added up to $2,050. We have received some dividends. SPHD paid us $12.23, and that's a monthly payer. And we got lucky in the month of September that they paid us twice. We had a huge payout from BYM for $28.97. The neat thing is pretty soon we're going to get to the point where every time we get paid by SPHD and VCLT, that we'll be able to buy one share of SPHD. So with our $2,000, we roughly bought 4 shares of VTI for a total of $745.92. And then we also bought 16.5 shares of VYM, totaled up to $1,348. So after adding those 16 shares, that makes our payment amount go up to $38.65. So the next time BYM pays the dividend, we'll get $38.65 instead of $28.93. So we added about $10 worth of income with that purchase. And let's see if we can figure out the VTI paid $5.56, and next time we get paid, we'll get paid $8.26. The month of September is a good month because all 4 of our funds pay a dividend that month. So that is very neat. It's a big paying month. So we had a total of $51.80 worth of dividends in the month of September. As you can see, we're continuing to do our little challenges to fund our Roth IRA. So we are doing where the first week you put $1 in, the second week you put $2 in, and then we also put $5 a week in. And then if you were to invest $5 a day, we're doing that also. So altogether, we've got a few weeks left. Let's see how many weeks we got left here of the year. So we got 10 weeks left of the year. So that means we're going to add a total of $957 more to our Roth IRA just by doing these challenges. And here in this line, you can see if you were to just do each individual challenge, how much money that would add up for the year. This is the total altogether. So we funded more than half of our Roth IRA for the year just by doing these little challenges every week. In total, so far, we have added $4,311 to our Roth IRA for 2020. We took this year and we funded last year's account also because they extended the tax deadline to the middle of July. So we were able to add to last year's 2019's Roth IRA this year also. So we're hoping to be able to get all of our money in there before the end of the year this year. But as you can see also, the good news is we're up $429. So this is so far one of our better accounts, and we've almost received $100 worth of dividends. Our potential yearly income from dividends is up to $390, so that's pretty impressive. The weird thing is I would have either just spent this money or just had it sitting in the bank. So at least the money is making money. There's a lot of different brokerages you can use. I chose to use M1 Finance because basically all you have to do is set up the account, pick the funds that you want your money to go into, and then after that point, all you have to do is deposit the money, and M1 Finance automatically splits up your money into the funds that it needs to go into and purchases it at 9:30 in the morning. So it's one of the fastest accounts that I've found to where you deposit your money and then it buys your fund or your stock. Some brokerages that you use, there's like a 7-day waiting period for your money to settle. Some are 5, and that's just really frustrating having to wait for your money to settle. This, with M1 Finance, you just deposit your money from your bank account and then it buys it the next day. This is one account that everybody should have. It's something you'll thank yourself for later when you get older and you retire. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.